What's up guys, SB12 Turner back with another video, and today I am unboxing and making the glow in the dark slime science lab. So yes, I'm going to open this up and let's see what this is. I'll see y'all when I'm done. So first thing I got was a stir stick to mix it up, and an activity booklet, like for little kids like me, which I love to do is like word search and all kinds of stuff, and translations, like the instructions. And this is like an adventure guide, and I don't know, this is like a safety book. So yes, I just love the instructions. So here's the blue slime, I already put it in there. Here's the green slime, and I got a bowl and some jug of water. If y'all are wondering why I'm so quiet, it's because it is exactly 10:50 p.m. at night, and everyone's asleep, so I snuck all this. Oh my gosh. So I think we put in the blue first. Well, you know, we can do the green or whatever, but I want to do the blue. I like blue better than green. It doesn't matter. Y'all can do green, whatever. And I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. So yeah, stir up. Now, put the water in. Pour in the water. Good enough. Well, we might have to add more. I'm just doing this. And I'm going to see y'all once I get it done. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna say like the smoothie challenge when I got done with my smoothie. I got it. It's so gooey, like slime. It smells good. This is like the most smelliest and good smelliest, whatever slime I ever made. Well, this is the first slime I ever made. I have to tell you that. Oh yes, bro, this is so fun. I can't even touch the phone now. So yes, I'm gonna have to touch the phone with my foot now. Oh, it smells so good, bro. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Comment what I should do next, because I have to think of ideas, and I just snuck this because it's like 10:50. I already told you that, so whatever. Yeah, who cares? And I love playing with the slime. It's so comfy. Now I'm gonna put it in my thing, so I'll see y'all. Oh, I can use my palm. Okay, I got the green done. I'm sorry to show y'all how I did it. Yeah, this green is really messy. This is messier than the blue one, actually. I don't know why. Probably because I put too much water. And I'm very sorry I'm talking like this. I have to be as quiet as I can. Oh, could y'all hear that? Oh my god, that's disgusting. But this is my first time touching slime. Oh, this is so disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up in the end of the video. This was really fun, actually. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me just put the slime up. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, like how I said. Not every video, but like I said to subscribe to my channel a million times. In this video, yes, you probably feel bad for me if you don't. You hurt my feelings. I'm just kidding. Because I gotta clean all this mess up by sneaking. Because my mom fell asleep in the living room. So I'll see y'all later.